Wagwan Generals, welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good. And you see the title, so you already know what's going on. I told you in the previous video. If you didn't watch the previous video, you should go watch the previous video so you know what's going on. Man, we here, man. Yes, sir. Today's a real exciting day for me. Real exciting day for me. I can't lie. See, package just came in. I told y'all that I'm waiting on my half shaft. Got a package. Gotta be it. And let's cut it real quick. See what's going on. Gotta use both hands. I hope this thing is in good condition. Let's see. It. This is it. Half shaft came in, and I got it with the bolts. I'm glad I found this link because the rest of them they were trying to. I had to buy the bolts with them, so I got this for a good price. Real good price. Talked to the guy and he dropped the price, and I got the bolts with it. So I am thankful for that. We about to be lit. Yes, sir. So, see what's going on. So, what's next? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this half shaft in. I'm not gonna record me doing this because it's gonna be too tedious for me, so it's definitely gonna be too hard right now. So I'm not gonna record me doing this, but it's simple. It's 3 bolts up to the engine, and it slides into the trans. So whoa, pause. Hey yo. Yeah, so I'm not gonna show me doing that, but the next scene I still think I need to I ordered a fuel rail because this fuel rail I'm gonna change the setup, do the AN fittings instead of the stock one that I had on because I got some leakage going on, so I'm gonna take care of that issue. And then the next thing y'all should see is me taking a test drive. So, and it's gonna be in this video, so I'm not gonna. Might be a next day, but it's gonna be in this video, so stay tuned. Yes, sir. So yeah, that new fuel rail came in, hooked it up, didn't really show it on cam. Simple stuff. I don't think I need to show that on cam. Finally got this situated. Now I'm using my AN fitting, so got that situated. Got my fuel pressure right where it's at, where it should be. I'm running it to 40. I started it already, y'all saw it. This is too loud, bro. I'm gonna take it around the block, so I borrowed this from my buddy. I'm gonna install that real quick. I don't think I need to show that either, because this video is just me doing the test drive. That is the main goal for this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and install that, and in the next clip we on that test drive, so stay tuned. Yes sir, it's about that time. About to go for that test drive. You hear me? Yes sir. Temporary header and exhaust, downpipe, whatever, mid pipe, whatever they call it. Temporary for now. I just borrowed it, so we about to do the first test drive. I'm gonna put y'all on a GoPro. My wife gonna get some footage outside, and let's do this. I'm just going around the block. It ain't nothing too serious, you hear me? First test drive. Hold up. Wait. First test drive after the swap. I hope this goes good, guys. Hope it goes good. Starts up. Can't wait to get my exhaust. Driving this thing, guys. Thought he said third gear didn't work. The gear seems fine. I thought he said third wasn't good. My buddy sold me the trains and he said third is not good. I gotta take care of that gauge because my speedometer is acting like the RPM gauge. I can't believe I'm driving, guys. It drives so good too. Oh my gosh, it drives so good. I can't wait, guys. Need an alignment. I can't believe I did this swap and we Gucci. I gotta make some checks when I go in though to make sure everything's good. Thought he said third wasn't good. I got this trans for $100. He gonna be mad as hell. Yes, sir. Reverse works. Was a success. I can't wait to finish this thing. Woo! Yo, y'all have no idea how good I feel right now. Let me take this GoPro off real quick. Yo, y'all have no idea how excited I am right now, man. Built this thing in my garage. It's running. Went for my first test drive. Shifts smooth like butter. I thought he said third wasn't working, but third is good. We in there. Let's go. All right. Yes, sir. And that's the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do the next videos probably gonna be me breaking down the build and how much I paid for it. I know I'm gonna cry, but I don't care. I'm gonna do it anyway, and then we gonna get some POVs in, you heard me? And we out. Ah!